kakahihintay natin, grabe! Warehouse sale baka mo sa Jeepos and Parajan lang to. 2 days offer from May 10 to 11. Mapa-household items man yan, appliances at marami pang iba. Up to 70% off. Located to dito sa Parajan, Dubai Investment Park 2, malapit sa Romana Water. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Tara na! Oh guys, umpisa na sa electric oven. Grabe, ito starting at 70 dirhams lang. Microwave oven, grabe, mahanap mo dito starting at 100 dirhams. Washing machine bang hanap mo? Grabe, mapa-Olsen Mark man yan. Ito, starting price at 450 lang. Refrigerator, mapa-small and big size man yan. Grabe, starting price at 250 lang. TV baka mo? Jeepos TV, grabe, starting price at 250 lang. Jeepos tools bang hanap nyo? Ang dami dito, starting price at 3 dirhams lang. Air fryer dito, starting price at 75 dirhams lang. Wala na lang itong Jeepos na trimmer na to, starting price at 10 dirhams. Casting iron, starting price at 15 dirhams. Citrus juicer and hand mixer dito, starting price at 25 dirhams. At flashlight, grabe, starting price at 10 dirhams lang. Grabe guys, ang daming travel luggages. Itong 3-piece set na to, starting price at 199 lang. Grabe, di ba? Side naman na dito, marami pa. Starting price at 30 dirhams lang. Siyempre, mawawala bang shoes natin? Starting price dito, 10 to 20 dirhams lang. At dito naman,